Hi guys, today I will be replacing the cooling fan of this computer. As you can see, so it's hitting on something, so it's not turning anymore, so it's overheating. So you can hear it is touching the metal. So I have here the new one. So this one, just a cheap replacement, but hope it will work fine. So just open this one. Yeah, so this one, and it has also a pre-applied compound, but I will remove this one and use a new compound, so I think it will be better, because this one has been sitting on the store for quite a while probably, and might be dried up already, and I have a new compound. Okay, let's start. By the way, I show you a little bit about the locking mechanism of this type of cooling fan cooler. So it has a lock here, 4 locks, and it's like a plastic lock, so it will activate the lock if you press this one. Now it's completely open. Yeah, then to release, just pull it out. Yeah, but if you want to lock it, then you need to turn this one, then you cannot pull this anymore, then it's completely locked. Okay, to release it, turn, then release. So I will do the same on this one. Okay, so just turn, then release. So it's not enough space. Just turn, then release, turn, then release, then another one, turn, then release, then remove the connector. Connector is here. Yep, now I can remove this one. Yep. Okay, so I replace one. You can see this one. Now it's turning, but probably it's no good. Completely gone. So it's touching. Okay, but before doing that, I will use a 100% alcohol, so 99% alcohol, to clean the existing silicone. So have a paper towel. Okay. Wipe the old thermal paste, I mean. Probably need some more. Make sure it is very clean. Yep. Okay. Now it's very clean. The next thing is I want to clean this as well. I want to remove this old compound. I think in some cases this one is adequate, but I have the thermal paste, so I better remove this. Remove some more. More alcohol. Now it's gone. Very clean. Okay, so just cover this one. Then I will put a new paste. So I will try the paste here. Just remove this one. So this one is Arctic paste, ceramic thermal compound, so from Arctic silver. So just remove this one. And this one is still sealed. Probably I need to cut the end. Oh no, it's okay. So I just can try something like that. Yeah. So probably just put it in the center. I think that's enough. More. Yeah. Now I can put this one. So probably I just put it that way. Maybe this way. Press. So they're all locked in. Okay, I have connected all the wires and power plug, and I am about to turn on the computer. So here's the new CPU cooler fan. So let's see if it will rotate when I turn on the computer. Yeah, that's cool, and it's quiet. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.